Good morning, friends. My name is Ajay Sharma, and following the field of immigration has been a passion for me, and it's been a passion for me since last 20 years. On regular basis, I present these videos to guide and inform the prospective migrants on various subjects related to immigration. This particular video that will follow is my attempt to simply inform and guide you. It should not be taken as legal advice in any manner whatsoever. You should always take advice of a regulated consultant or authorized representative or a lawyer before taking final steps. From my side, this is an attempt to inform you and guide you in the process based on my knowledge, my understanding of what the immigration process or processes are about. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this journey of information as I talk about the Express Entry program to Canada. Perhaps the most significant aspect of the Express Entry pool or the Express Entry program 2015 announced by Citizenship and Immigration Canada, in my considered opinion and in my experience of last 20 years, is really speaking the wide range of occupations that have been opened by the Canadian government for prospective migrants. It's never happened like this before, at least especially since last 14-15 years. Now typically, so what's been announced is anybody who meets the requirement of National Occupation Classification, NOC, it's more popularly called, the occupations appearing at O, A and B level. So all those candidates who meet the requirements, job description, duties and responsibilities of any of the occupations that is appearing in O, A and B classification can make an application. So what does it mean really? O, A and B. So do not get into technicalities of O, A and B because leave that to experts or consultants or advisors or lawyers whose services you want to take, or even for your understanding, even if you don't want to take their services, you want to do make an application and want to understand what O, A and B means. Simply put, so the one particular category which is NOC O occupation list, so that's skill level A. Skill level A means that all the occupations which are of managerial level, it could be in administration, it could be in hospitality, it could be in engineering, it could be in personal human resources, it could be in the field of academicians, you name it. But if you happen to be in managerial capacity, you are likely to meet the requirements of NOC O, as it's more popularly called. Then you come to qualifications, which essentially means if you have a university level education, your occupation is likely to fall under NOC A. Again, what it means is you could be a mid-level executive, you could be in sales, you could be in marketing, you could be in personal, you could be in admin, you could be in engineering, you could be in IT, you could be in high healthcare. So long as you have a university level education, your occupation may be appearing under NOC A. And for a detailed understanding of duties and responsibilities of various duties and responsibilities of various occupation, simply visit our website abhinav.com and you'll find detailed description of each of the occupation which is expected to perform. If it's not updated right now, surely it will be updated in due course, and visit our website abhinav.com on regular basis to see the detailed listing of duties and responsibilities which each of the occupations in O, A or B is expected to meet, and accordingly see which occupation you meet the requirement of. Even if you are not clear about which NOC you meet the requirement of, you simply send us your, and if you are married, your spousal profile to us at contact@abhinav.com. We'll assess and we'll advise you which NOC you are qualified for. It may happen, however, because it's a highly specialized field of knowledge, we will provide this information on the NOC that you are qualified for. It may happen that, but for some select situation, we'll be able to provide such guidance only to clients who retain our services. The B level would normally NOC B would normally mean qualifications which basically required a college level qualification or kind of an apprenticeship qualification. So by the way, so even if you have been apprentice for 3 years or so, you may still be qualified. That qualification and that particular experience may be qualified, and you may be able to file under NOCB classification of occupations. So not to confuse into O, A and B, this is very simple. The way I explained it: managers, university level education, and college or apprenticeship. In between all these, we are very sure that you will meet the requirement of one of the classifications. It's such a broad classification that each one of you may be qualified, and with proper English language skills and with a proper experience to back it up, if you meet all the documentation requirements and can provide those documents, there is every possibility that you are going to be one of the lucky ones who is going to be a Canadian permanent resident. And who best to guide you on this process, choose the right occupation for you, than Abhinav, with our experience for the last 20 years in servicing our clients on all the Canadian permanent residency regulations. Simply shoot in an email, give your profile, send it to contact@abhinav.com, and let's take it from there.